I'm going to show the steps to assemble the Dirt Devil Endura Reach compact upright vacuum. Slide the handle into the top of the vacuum and push down until it snaps in place. Guide the hose around the hook on the back of the vacuum and over the hook on the handle. Then insert the end into the opening on top and twist the end to lock it in place. The other end of the hose has a tab that locks into the opening at the bottom of the vacuum. The combo tool attaches to a tab under the hook for the power cord. The extension wand has a bracket for storage. There are two hooks to hold the power cord. The top hook swivels to release the cord. The dustbin has a release tab on top and a tab on the bottom to empty the bin.